Exercise 9.4, question number B. Before starting, you have to look here. What you have to do in this? See here. Suppose the number is 50.050 kg and minus 23.597 gram kgs. Sorry. Both the unit here is of kg, there is of kg. तो आपको क्या करना है? You arrange it in the same way, 50.050 kg. Then you have to write this one, 23.597 kgs. Okay. वो ध्यान रखना है point के नीचे point should be there. There should be a point and a point, and point will be here also. Okay, under the point, point will come. Okay, and you have to subtract it. 10 में से 0 में से 7 is not possible, so it will borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 9 is not possible, so it will take 10. It will become 10 here. It will become 4 here. It will give this 1 to this, it will become 9. This will give 1 to this, 14. 14 minus 9 is what? 4 minus 9, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 2, 2. बेटा ये वाला बोरो इधर वाले से बोरो ले सकता है. Okay, no issues. So this is all subtraction. So let's start doing the subtraction now in our notebooks. Take out your maths fair notebook. A new page in your maths fair notebook. New page in your maths fair notebook. This week we have to complete this chapter anyhow. Okay? Okay. We will write now question number B. Question B. Right here, find the difference. Find the difference. जैसे first वाला किया था वैसे ही second वाले करने हैं. 6 questions are there. Find the difference. Okay, divide your page into 6 equal parts. अच्छा ये I must write here. Wait a minute. Where you have to do it? Maths fair notebook, new page. Maths fair notebook on a new page. You have to do this. Okay, find the difference. Okay, right here. Question. First, divide the page into 2 equal parts. Write question 1. (487 km minus). Let me write all first.
All the places.
उसमें you have to click. First of all, do this work, and उसमें you have to click. I have a green background. You have to click that. That's why it is showing.
Okay, ma'am.
Do this work, everyone. Do it and send the answer to me, okay? Let me take, wait. Let me show you here this, then do them and send me your answer. Okay. Wait a second, Adrika, okay? I'm stop sharing it. Yes, where are you, Adrika? Your network.
Here.
Okay. Wait a minute. I'm just replacing your. Okay. Just wait. Where is Adrika? Okay, now I got the Adrika's. Wait a second. Yes. Wait a minute, Adrika, beta. Okay. Now you can start.
Nobel Prize winning poem.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Again,
निज
again,
जीवन
again.
के संघर्षों
Again, beta. Say it
निज
again.
जीवन के संग मैम निज जीवन के संघर्षों से जब टूट चुका हो अंतर मन तब सुख में मिली समंदर का रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं, रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं। जब फसल सूख कर जल के बिन तिनका तिनका बन फिर होने वाली वर्षा का रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं, रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं। संबंध चाहे जितने हो यदि दुख में साथ ना दे अपना फिर उन संबंधों का रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं, रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं। छोटी छोटी खुशियों के क्षण निकले जाते हैं रोज जहां फिर सुख की नित्य प्रतीक्षा का रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं, रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं। मन कटु वड़ी से आहट को भीतर तक छलनी हो जाए फिर उन बात कही प्रिय वचनों का रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं, रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं। सुख साधन चाहे जितने हो पर काया रोगों का घर हो फिर उन अनगिनत सुविधाओं का रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं, रह जाता कोई अर्थ नहीं। मैम it's done.
And wow, very good, Adrika. You learnt it yourself. My God, it's such a big poem. You learned the whole poem.
Yes, ma'am.
My God, very nice. It's very nice poem, and you recited very nicely, beta. Okay, now let me share this to them. Very good, excellent. Clap for her once, everyone. आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है मुझे किसी की भी. I'm not able to listen to your clap since you are on mute. You can unmute yourself and then you can clap. Okay, very good. अच्छा अभी किसी का बर्थडे है? Recently somebody having a birthday and tomorrow we are going to sit in a red and white uniform. You know that? You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Yes,
give
ma'am.
ma'am, can you give us ma'am Santa Claus ma'am screen in virtual background?
Okay, I'll send it to you today. Today
Me
I'll-
also.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
Ma'am, when I
Okay, now see here. See 49.487 minus 27.236. When you subtract it, we will get 1. 8 minus 3, 5. This one is easy. ये तो easy है. Without borrowing, आपका ये simple answer आ जाएगा. Okay, and don't forget to put down kilometer here, and kilometer here. Okay, now 61805. Sorry, 618.45